Guys, this is the new Meowl Mutation. If you haven't seen it, it has a tail now and cat
Whoa!
ears.
Kalis!
What?
What is this thing?
Whoa!
Look
What
at its
the?
face, bro. Look at its face.
Whoa! That's the coolest one. That's my favorite one, bro. Wait, what does it say on the license plate? Steel 516. Wait, what? This is like an SCP. What?
Ew, he's so
What is
ugly.
that? Dude, I really like that one. I have to get my
Yo,
hands
wait,
on
I
it.
kind of like that one too.
That is my favorite one I've
Look at
seen,
it
bro.
has
Low-key.
toes too, bro.
Dude, that's so funny looking.
Is that a secret?
Steel 516, bro. That is
Secret? That's gotta be
awesome.
a secret. That can't be a
That we
radar god.
need to see. We need that. So that's one of the rare Indonesia secrets, I'm guessing. Fulton's live.